Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin C tablets. First, you'll need high-quality ascorbic acid powder, which is pure vitamin C. Next, select a suitable binder, such as microcrystalline cellulose, to hold the tablet together. Don't forget a flow agent like magnesium stearate to prevent sticking. You'll also need a tablet press, mixing bowls, and accurate measuring spoons or a scale. Adding a natural flavor or a touch of sweetener can make your tablets more enjoyable to take. Now, let's get mixing. Carefully weigh your ingredients. For a standard 500 mg vitamin C tablet, you'll typically combine 500 mg of ascorbic acid with about 200 mg of your chosen binder. Add approximately 10 mg of a flow agent, like magnesium stearate, to the mixture. It's crucial to thoroughly blend all these dry ingredients in a clean bowl until they are completely uniform. This ensures each tablet has a consistent dosage. With your mixture ready, it's time to press. Carefully load the blended powder into your tablet press. Make sure the powder is evenly distributed in the die to prevent uneven tablets. Apply consistent pressure according to your press's instructions to form solid, well-compacted tablets. Once pressed, gently remove them and lay them out to air dry for several hours. This drying step is essential for them to harden properly and maintain their shape. Once your tablets are fully dry and hardened, they are ready for storage. Place them in an airtight container, ideally a dark glass jar, to protect them from light and moisture. This proper storage is crucial for maintaining the potency of the vitamin C and extending the shelf life of your homemade tablets. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.